Companies like Apple, Amazon, and Google didn't stumble upon their success by chance. They invested significant time and resources into understanding their customers and the market they operated in. By doing so, they were able to identify gaps, needs, and desires that others missed. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. So, what exactly is market research and why is it so important? Well, market research is the process of gathering information about your target market, including their preferences, behaviors, and buying patterns. It helps you understand your customers on a deeper level and provides insights into what they want and need. Armed with this knowledge, you can tailor your products or services to meet those needs and differentiate yourself from the competition. There are two primary types of market research: primary research and secondary research. Primary research involves collecting first-hand data directly from your target market. This can be done through surveys, focus groups, interviews, or even observing customer behavior. On the other hand, secondary research involves analyzing existing data from various sources, such as government reports, industry publications, or online databases. Now that we understand the types of market research, let's dive into the process of conducting it. The first step is defining your objectives. What do you want to achieve through your research? Are you looking to identify new market segments? Assess customer satisfaction? Or maybe evaluate the viability of a new product or service? Defining clear objectives will guide your research and ensure you gather the right information. Once you have your objectives in place, it's time to gather the data. If you're conducting primary research, consider using a mix of qualitative and quantitative methods. Qualitative methods, like interviews or focus groups, allow you to dig deep into customers' opinions and experiences. On the other hand, quantitative methods, such as surveys, provide statistical data that can be analyzed for trends and patterns. With your data in hand, it's time to analyze and interpret the findings. Look for patterns, trends, and key insights that emerge from the data. Are there any common pain points or unmet needs? Is there a particular segment of the market that shows potential for growth? By identifying these opportunities, you can start crafting strategies to capitalize on them. To illustrate the power of market research, let's take a look at a real-life example. Imagine a small skincare company that wants to expand its product line. Through market research, they discover that there is a growing demand for organic and sustainable skincare products among millennials. Armed with this knowledge, they develop a new line of eco-friendly skincare products, using natural ingredients and recyclable packaging. By targeting this specific market segment, they position themselves as a brand that aligns with their customers' values, giving them a competitive edge and driving significant growth. Conducting market research doesn't have to be a daunting task. There are numerous tools and resources available to simplify the process. Online survey platforms, such as SurveyMonkey or Google Forms, make it easy to design and distribute surveys to your target audience. Social media platforms provide valuable insights into customer conversations and trends. Additionally, industry reports and databases can offer a wealth of information about your market. The key is to leverage these resources effectively and tailor them to your specific needs. While market research is a powerful tool, There are some common mistakes that businesses should avoid. One of them is relying solely on assumptions or personal opinions. It's essential to gather objective data from your target market to make informed decisions. Another mistake is neglecting the competition. Understanding your competitors' strengths, weaknesses, and strategies can help you identify gaps and differentiate yourself effectively. Market research is not a one-time task but an ongoing process. As your business evolves and the market changes, it's crucial to stay in touch with your customers and adapt your strategies accordingly. By continuously analyzing the market, you can uncover new opportunities for growth and stay ahead of the curve. And that wraps up our deep dive into market research and analysis. We hope you found this video informative and that it inspires you to take a closer look at your target market. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your customers is the key to unlocking growth. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more business insights, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay curious and keep striving for success.